and get the photograph taken.
On behalf of the World Bank Group, I would like to congratulate the government of Kenya on the outstanding performance registered in our Doing Business Report 2016, which we officially unveiled last night. This year, Kenya not only registered a significant 21 country jump in the ranking, but it is also the third most improved economy in the world. This is the first time since 2008 that Kenya is being recognized as a global reformer, and we commend all the hard work that has gone into this accomplishment. Kenya's development agenda is anchored around Vision 2030, the new 2010 Constitution, and a medium-term plan too. Together, they envision Kenya as an industrializing upper middle income country, providing a quality of life to its citizens. Devolution is moving forward, although at a slower pace than expected, and economic growth remains solid, though it is running into some headwinds. For accelerated improvements, there is a need for deeper policy reform and targeted investment with greater private sector participation. A key part of this is creating more enabling conditions for the private sector to allow it to drive economic growth and job creation. So we would like to reiterate our strong support to the government of Kenya's development goals. We know that Kenyans have high expectations. After more than half a century of independence, they are ready to move to the next level of growth and prosperity.
That we as KEPSA, as the umbrella body of private sector, will continue to coordinate all our members through the associations, and many of them are represented here, and as corporates to engage on public-private dialogue to ensure this target we have set to improve the ease of doing business in Kenya is not a pipe dream.
I just want to also share that slide that puts the ease of doing business agenda that the government has set in the context of what we are trying to achieve across government, but in particular within the Ministry of Industrialization in attracting investments. We've got some 4 key outcomes that we want to achieve: improving the share of manufacturing within our GDP, creation of jobs, attraction of FDI, and having position 50 by the year 2020 in our ease of doing business ranking.
So overall, therefore, I am pleased to announce that Kenya is now the 3rd most improved country globally on the 2016 Doing Business ranking by the World Bank. Kenya improved from position 136, as has been said, to position 108. That means we moved 28 positions, which is no mean achievement. And I want to say congratulations to the men and women that made this possible.
So thank you very much, everyone. Our formal